back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a GT30 all-wheel drive S. It's the big sport model. It has a third row seat, factory leather heated seats. Every option in this car it got in 15 this one has. Trailer tow pack, factory sunroof, DVD. It's loaded, folks. Blind spot monitor, crash assist, navigation, backup cam. It's got the premium sound system, lane detection, everything, folks. The sport alloys. It's dialed in and ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval in full effect. $995 starting down payment. Miles under 100. Where else do you need to know? The spot. DasCleveland.com.